Hi guys, this is Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love synthetic and human hair wigs and you want to see reviews on the best ones you can purchase, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Today I'm showing you the install and review of the Sensational Cloud9 Wet Lace Braelyn. She's a newer unit. And I have her in color Chunky Highlight Blonde. So yeah, this is the install portion. I'm just cutting off the lace. Anytime I install my 13 by 4, 13 by 6, whatever, lace frontal units, I always cut the lace off first. It helps me to map out where I need to apply my glue. And this is the Ebin Supreme Hold Lace Glue. It's the one with the gold cap. And I just apply 2 layers. So I apply the glue and just smooth it out as thin as possible. And I just kind of remember where I cut the lace and where it lands on my forehead and the perimeter of my face, and I just smooth it out and then repeat that 2 times. And so once the glue is completely dried, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace. And as you can see, I kind of did that perfectly this time. Usually I still apply the glue behind where I'm actually laying the lace, but this time I did a good job. And I'm just going to press the lace into the glue using my rat tail comb. And of course, if there is any spots that you missed, you can always go back with more glue and apply the glue, let it dry, and then press the lace back in. You want to make sure the hairs, like any tiny hairs, stray hairs, are out of the way, the glue also. So yeah, you'll see here the next step what I'm talking about. See, I missed the glue right there on this side. So I'm just applying a little bit of glue, letting it dry. I use my portable fan to make sure it dried quicker. And then once it does dry, I'm going to go ahead and just press that portion of the lace into the glue. Okay, so once you are finished laying the glue or the lace into the glue, you want to go ahead and tie a band around just to make sure that glue sticks to the lace. After about 10 minutes, I take it off and I apply some makeup to the perimeter, and I also apply the lace melting spray by Ebin. This makes sure that the lace melts right into your skin and it's flawless. And then I'm going to set that with the lace melting band. So there you see. So I'm pulling out my baby hairs now. I took some down by the side of my ear, and I'm going to take some out by my temple. This is usually how I lay my baby hairs. Of course, everybody lays their baby hairs differently. You might want more, you might not want any at all, which is great if you pluck, so you won't see, it won't be a harsh hairline. Usually people lay baby hairs because it's a harsh hairline, but if you've plucked properly, you're able to wear a wig without taking out any baby hairs. Okay, so while you watch me part my baby hairs out, don't forget to visit my beauty brand store, 1111 Beauty. I sell 100% real mink lash strips. Your look is not complete. You can throw that wig on, but you're gonna look incomplete unless you beat your face. So get some lashes to go along with your beats, okay? I have perfect lashes for everyone. So go to my website and find your signature style. I also have a website where I sell wigs that I've reviewed once. So if you want some discounted wigs, human hair and synthetic, go to the website. The link will be in the description box. Also, guys, do not forget to like this video and comment. The more you comment and like, the more my videos will be pushed up, the more views I get, and the more videos I'll be able to push out for you guys. I'm just using some wrapping mousse or wrapping foaming mousse and some Got2b gel in the black tube to lay my baby hairs. Don't forget to lay it down with the scarf so they will stay down. I did not show that part, but that's what I did, okay? Guys, so I'm going to leave I've been doing this lately. I've been leaving the sides, instead of plastering them down on my face, I've just been leaving them flowing. And honestly, they was itching me doing that, so I was just doing a different alternative. After I take the hot comb to get the hair to lay flush to my face, I just trim it with a razor comb or a razor, like an eyebrow razor, and that's optional. You don't have to. I did cut it a little shorter than I usually do, but whatever, it still did the job. This is what I noticed: the tangling, the excessive tangling, and the hair just didn't look good after you brushed it out. Sometimes that happens with synthetic wigs. The ends look really like raggedy. They just look lifeless. There's no flow, no curl or anything, and that's what I was experiencing with that. So I just basically went ahead and chopped her, and you will see what she looks like chopped when I give my final thoughts at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm just showing you guys like different ways you can wear it. I originally had it to the side. I'm just showing you like a middle part. And as you can see, as I parted it, it just tangled way too fast. It was just like tangling everywhere. I don't know what was up with this particular unit. Sensationnel got me scared with these new units. But anyway, stay tuned for the final look and my thoughts on this unit. Thanks for watching and supporting. Bye. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that install portion. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my thoughts on this unit. Sensational Wet Lace Cloud9 Wet Lace whatever Braelyn, and I have her in a chunky highlight blonde. So the first thing was the color. If y'all remember, I'm pretty sure it's on this channel, I reviewed their Dashley unit. I forgot what unit number it was, I'm sorry, but it was like one of the first units that they came out with the chunky highlight blonde, and I loved it. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this in every color, but the highlights were all over. I feel like the highlights with this is just underneath, like on the back end, and I wish it was all over and not just on the underside. You get what I'm saying? Another thing about this unit was that the ends got real raggedy real fast, and I feel like with this type of styling, if I can remember, that happens a lot. I don't know why, because it's basically straight with a little wave, but for some reason it just gets really raggedy. So at first I tried thinning her out. I did not show that on camera, but y'all seen me thin out units before. I tried thinning her out, and once I thinned her out, it just felt like the hair had like, it just kept clumping together and it just wasn't flowing. It didn't have like a good, it didn't have a good flow to it to mimic human hair, you know, because synthetic, high quality 100% premium fiber synthetic is supposed to mimic human hair, and this it just screams synthetic. So my way of alleviating that or changing that altogether was to cut the ends off. So I chopped her. I actually like her better at this length. Let me scroll it. There you go. It looks more professional. This is definitely I mean, if you're looking for a professional wig, you can definitely get away with this unit by chopping it, and it's a nice, you know, office wig. Yeah, so as you could tell, like, I'm not really screaming to the hills about this wig. I was kind of disappointed in Sensationnel's last two wigs. Excuse my CV. I was kind of disappointed in their last two units that I did review, which was Braelyn, this one, and the Arabella. Arabella, just, that was actually a human hair mix, but it felt like synthetic more than other synthetic wigs I've tried. So I was disappointed in that. I wore that for a while, and now it's in the trash. I'm actually probably gonna keep this one because, like I said, after chopping it, she's way better. I love it. It's a 13x6 unit. You could do other styles, you could do updos and whatnot. So I probably will keep her. Anyway, if you the link to, oh yeah, so the link to my Arabella review will be in the description under the last video. Watch my last video. I also have a beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I feature 100% real make lash strips like the pair I'm wearing now. These are big and fluffy, but I also have some that are smaller If you like smaller lashes, this style is called Maria. And what else do I have to, oh yeah, the link to the website will be in the description box. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post more pictures and reels about the wig and other things. Y'all can get to know me a little bit more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Bye. Stay blessed.